after Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who's on a two-day visit to the poll-bound state of West Bengal, went all guns blazing against the Mamata Banerjee government. In his pincer strike against Didi, Amit Shah lambasted her on several fronts, starting from her backing Bangladeshi infiltrators for gaining a vote bank, giving a political spin to India's Operation Sindoor, and even having links with the accused of the RG Kaur and Sandesh Khali perpetrators. Listen in.
माँ माटी मानुष का नारा देकर ममता दीदी आई और उन्होंने ये महान बंगभूमि को आज घुसपैठ, भ्रष्टाचार, स्त्रियों पर अत्याचार, अपराध, बम धमाके और हिंदुओं के साथ दुराचार का केंद्र बनाकर रख दिया है। दुराचार का केंद्र बना, मगर ये बंगाल है जिसमें चुनाव के वक्त और दीदी को विजय मिलने के बाद सैकड़ों भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को मौत के घाट उतार दिया जाता है। दीदी, कब तक बचाओगी उनको? आपका समय अब समाप्त हो गया है। 26 में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनने वाली। दीदी, हिम्मत हो तो हिंसा के बगैर, रैगिंग के बगैर चुनाव कराकर देखो। आपकी खुद की जमानत ये बंगाल की जनता जब्त कर लेगी। और भाइयों बहनों, वोट बैंक की तुष्टीकरण ने वोट बैंक के लिए पतन की सीमा ये ममता बनर्जी ने पार कर दी। हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करी, एयर स्ट्राइक करी और अब ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कर 100 किलोमीटर अंदर जाकर उनके हेडक्वार्टर को ध्वस्त कर दिया। सैकड़ों आतंकवादी मौत के घाट उतार दिए गए और दीदी के पेट में दर्द होता है। मैं आज ममता दीदी को कहने आया हूं, आपने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का विरोध नहीं किया। आपने इस देश की करोड़ों माताओं बहनों की भावनाओं के साथ खिलवाड़ किया है, खिलवाड़। आने वाले चुनाव में ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर सवाल उठाने वाली ममता जी को सिंदूर की कीमत बंगाल की माताएं बहनें जरा समझा दे, सिंदूर का अपमान करने का क्या मतलब होता है।
My colleague Pooja has been tracking the Home Minister's visit to West Bengal. She joins us live at the moment. Pooja, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah sounding the poll bugle in West Bengal, hitting out at the Mamata Banerjee government for a plethora of reasons, being supportive to Bangladeshi infiltrators, insulting our armed forces for, and questioning Operation Sindoor. A lot of, talking points that Amit Shah had during his address, but clearly, the BJP making it clear that it's going to be fighting it out in the state of West Bengal, which is scheduled for polls next year.
Well, absolutely. Union Home Minister Amit Shah was on his first visit to West Bengal after Operation Sindoor. And in his visit, while he was addressing party workers, he raised the election pitch and also sounded the bugle for 2026 West Bengal Assembly elections. He also launched a scathing attack on Mamata Banerjee government and said that there are several issues that have affected people, and these issues are corruption and also communal clashes that took place in Dhulian of Murshidabad, and also how teachers lost their jobs, and also the main issue was infiltration. He also highlighted and he also stated, while the Trinamool Congress leaders and West Bengal Chief Minister has been saying a lot of things on BSF, but the reality is that the state government has not given land, has not allowed union government to acquire land where fence can be built. So clearly raising an election pitch here in Kolkata during his first visit after Operation Sindoor, he's launched a scathing attack on the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and also Trinamool Congress on various issues.
Right, Pooja, thanks very much for joining us. At the moment, of course, Pooja, we are also getting our viewers more from what the Home Minister's visit had. This is, viewers remember, just after Prime Minister Modi visited West Bengal, and now, of course, Amit Shah today sounding the poll bugle, hitting out at the Mamata Banerjee-led West Bengal government. As you can see in the visuals, he, of course, held a Havan as well, performed a puja there. Along with the fact that he also inaugurated a forensics laboratory, in fact, emphasizing on how modernizing investigative ways and approaches is one of the focuses of the Modi government. But more crucial is how Amit Shah has hit out at Mamata Banerjee. Of course, we'll have to wait and see how the West Bengal Chief Minister responds to these this entire political attack by the BJP, clearly setting the tone for the upcoming assembly elections in the state. In 2026 is when we will see West Bengal going into that electoral battle. We'll keep getting you more on this. Right now, we move on. Viewers, the entire